Tomato cucumber salad recipe. Cucumber tomato salad is a classic salad, light, cooling, and oh so refreshing. This easy salad is made with sliced cucumbers and juicy tomatoes and enhanced with slivers of red onion and a tangy vinaigrette dressing. Ingredients: 1 cup water, half a cup distilled white vinegar, a quarter cup vegetable oil, a quarter cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper or to taste, 3 cucumbers peeled and sliced a quarter-inch thick, 3 tomatoes cut into wedges, 1 onion sliced and separated into rings. Directions: 1. Whisk water, vinegar, oil, sugar, salt, and pepper together in a large bowl until smooth. 2. Add cucumbers, tomatoes, and onion and stir to coat. 3. Cover bowl with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. 4. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.